What makes a Porsche a Porsche? This question is asked at clubs everywhere. We have narrowed it down to three essentials. Number one, winning. Porsches have always been meant for racing. If there ever comes a time when Porsches are not on racetracks, that's the end, whether the company continues or not. Not all Porsches get track time, but they should, even if it's just a few laps for the owner to appreciate what their car can do. Number two, one or two seats. Porsches are comfortable, but the accommodations are minimal. Two seats are the max for a road-going car, while track cars only need one. If you have any doubts, look at the vehicles made in Ferdinand Porsche's lifetime. He designed trucks, but they weren't Porsches. His most famous design wasn't a Porsche. It was the Volkswagen Bug, which seated four. This one, from 1950, can only be a Porsche. Number three, it's different. Porsches aren't for everybody. If you ever drive one, you'll know if you're a Porsche person or not, and you'll never forget it. What about this? Is it a Porsche? Yes, it is. Why? Because the company has the legal right to decide. If they had thought about it, however, it would have been an Audi, which is more about upscale transportation. An Audi with tuning or suspension by Porsche would have been more on brand. Like Ferdinand himself, the Porsche company designs many things that aren't Porsches, but Porsche design. Their coffee makers and eyeglasses are just two examples. Now this is a Porsche, no question.